Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Air Dry Clay is probably one of the most versatile and accessible mediums for creators of all ages, offering endless possibilities from intricate sculptures to fun craft projects without the need for a kiln, making it perfect for spontaneous artistic expression and bringing your imaginative ideas to life with ease and convenience right in your own home or studio. Number 5. Crayola Air Dry Clay 5 pounds. This generous 5-pound bucket of sculpting clay is perfect for all your creative projects. It comes in a convenient resealable container, keeping it fresh for longer. It's an excellent resource for teachers, perfect for stocking up art rooms and group projects. This bulk pack supports hands-on learning in kindergarten, preschool, and elementary schools. You can use traditional sculpting techniques like coil, slab, pinch, and score and weld with this versatile material. Simply add water to make it softer and easier to work with. This clay is a fantastic tool for facilitating hands-on learning in any setting. It encourages creativity and fine motor skill development in children and adults alike. Once your sculptures are dry, you can easily add vibrant details. Crayola project paints and acrylic paints work perfectly to bring them to life. Cleaning up after your creative session is a breeze. Its resealable plastic bucket makes storage and tidying up incredibly simple. To ensure it lasts, store any unused portion in an airtight container. This keeps it fresh and ready for your next artistic endeavor. What we like. This large 5-pound bucket is perfect for extensive projects or group activities. It supports traditional sculpting techniques, allowing for detailed and robust creations. If you are a teacher or working on large-scale art projects, this bulk option is an excellent choice for its versatility and quantity. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, I cannot select any points as requested. Number 4. ARTPAR Air Dry Clay Kit. This amazing kit offers an incredible 56 vibrant colors, plus tools and an instruction booklet. Your children can freely mix and match, creating their own unique palettes and developing their DIY imagination. It's incredibly easy to shape, non-stick, and wonderfully soft. This clay stimulates imaginative creativity, capturing their interest and immersing them in artistic fun. It makes a perfect gift for any occasion. With its vibrant colors, this clay improves color recognition and enhances hand-eye coordination. It allows them to use unlimited creativity, pulling them away from electronics into a unique world of art. This modeling clay is gluten-free, allergen-free, and adheres to strict safety standards. It's ASTM D4236, F963-23, CPSIA, and EN71 certified, recommended for children 3 years and older. Choose it for complete peace of mind. This set is perfect for toddlers to learn shapes, older children to master designs, and even adults for creative projects. It provides distraction-free crafts for playdates, rainy days, or educational activities. What we like. This kit boasts an impressive 56 vibrant colors, offering endless possibilities for mixing and matching. Its soft and ultralight texture makes it incredibly easy for young hands to shape and mold. If you are looking to spark immense creativity and color recognition in children, this comprehensive set is ideal for engaging artistic fun. What people say. No suitable reviews found in the provided source data. The source JSON for reviews was empty, preventing extraction of points. Number 3. Drama Planet Air Dry Clay Kit. Discover the joy of creation with this amazing clay. It's super soft and non-sticky, perfect for little hands to mold with ease. Plus, there's no baking required, it simply air dries in just 24 hours. Each vibrant color comes in its own sealed container, ensuring freshness and preventing messes. This makes cleanup and storage incredibly simple for parents and kids alike. Unleash creativity with an extensive instructional guide. It features 4 exciting scenes and 26 project tutorials, designed by clay artists to guide young learners from simple to advanced creations. Proudly display every unique creation with the included mini display stand. It's a fantastic way for children to celebrate their artistic achievements and even host friendly competitions. This kit is an ideal gift for birthdays or any occasion, promising hours of imaginative play. It encourages hands-on learning and sparks creativity away from screens, fostering essential developmental skills. What we like. This kit stands out with an artist-inspired guide featuring 26 step-by-step project tutorials. It includes a mini display stand, perfect for proudly showcasing finished creations. If you want a structured learning experience for your child with clear guidance and a way to celebrate their art, this kit provides both inspiration and presentation. What people say. No positive reviews were found in the provided source to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points. Number 2. Crayola Model Magic 30 Pack. Discover the Crayola Model Magic 30 Pack, a vibrant collection designed to inspire young artists. It includes 30 individual packs in 15 assorted colors, ensuring endless creative possibilities. This unique modeling material can be used again and again, offering limitless fun. Or, let your masterpieces air dry to harden and stay intact, preserving your child's artistic achievements. Looking to elevate your slime? This soft clay alternative is perfect for enhancing its tactile feel. It makes an exciting component in kids' DIY slime projects, adding a new dimension to their play. Designed with diverse needs in mind, this product serves as an excellent adaptive art essential and multisensory toy. It caters to kids and artists, promoting inclusive and engaging creative experiences. These individual packs make a fantastic gift for birthdays, classroom rewards, or any hands-on crafting occasion. Plus, it's safe and non-toxic, ideal for kids aged 3 and up. What we like. This pack offers 30 individual 1-ounce packs in 15 assorted colors, perfect for sharing or small projects. Its unique soft, squishy texture makes it a fantastic alternative to traditional clay, even great for slime. If you need convenient, pre-portioned modeling material for multiple users or want a soft, tactile experience, this is an excellent choice for its ease of use and versatility. What people say. Number 1. Artsity Air Dry Foam Clay 24 Set. This super soft modeling clay encourages children to explore their creativity and stay away from screens. Its effortless texture makes it easy for little hands to form any shape they imagine. Your little artists are completely safe while crafting with this eco-friendly clay. It's non-toxic, odorless, and free from common allergens like peanuts, dairy, and soy. Forget the oven or kiln. Simply create your favorite art and let it air dry. It needs 24 to 48 hours to fully harden before painting, perfect for evolving young minds. This clay is incredibly easy to use and leaves no mess behind. It won't stick to fingers or work surfaces, making it a fantastic choice for indoor activities. Perfect for molding, sculpting, and prototypes, this magic clay is a creative gift for art lovers and kids aged 3 and up. Make it your go-to for inspiring young artists. What we like. This foam clay is super soft and incredibly light, making it effortless for small hands to mold. It's completely allergen-free and non-toxic, ensuring a safe crafting experience for all. If you prioritize a mess-free, ultralight, and safe modeling material for younger children, this foam clay is perfect for boosting imagination without the fuss. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.